Oyihireho enyamishwa, emigera, enyanja n'ebindi, Uganda netunga oburambuzi kurabira omu by'obunyakare. Omu district ya Kamwenje niho twikire aha keru kumanywa nka Tinka Home kandi aba nibateeka ebyokurya omu nteeka y'obunyakare kandi abarambuzi nibakunda kubirya no kwega okubiri kutebeekanisibwa.
So kutandika kwa homestead yenu, this cultural traditional meal experience tukatandika in 2023. We all I was still young, but to the person who brought up that idea akaba muzei wange Mr. Tinka John. So who akabata muno mu different countries yakopayo buli yatambaraga ahura naenda kulya ebyokulya bya Uganda, of which tiyabifunaga.
The food was fantastic, and the presentation by Bridget was absolutely splendid. A great way to present Ugandan food. You have such variety, and things that we like here are the fruit, of course. The fruit is so fresh. We never get that freshness when pineapples and papayas and other things arrive in Europe.
Orukutura mukeji nagira ngo ebyobunyakare nk'ebyokulya ebijuma n'ebindi abarambuzi nibabikunda munonga kandi nibashashura sente okwega chango oku Africa erikutwaza.
Shira kubabona bona tibine kale ntekerezemo roba kushanga n'okora bashemerwa munonga bataka kuguziraho no kuguzaho no kwakora batere bishani ikimizi babashemererwa ekiwa cyo likora hati oikano kubashobora nti ni hanoya ndaho abo musiri gwanje mu bwirobwe ubunku bantine inkimazi tizire nkenche ndakunyona kukona ibintu byanje nkebindi mere nkebichori omene bihimba amenje yenzibiri hati niho ntungira akire uko kubashobora baso
omukwezi omugaidi nasa kurambuza abagenyi ikice abagenyi 10 yawa eri season yakuba twine seasons ibiri twine high season yawa ubwiro bw'abajurungu ninga abagenyi barabakanyire kandi tujatwagira na low season ubw'abagenyi barabali bake sonka omu season omugaidi omwe omukwezi mazima abagenyi 10 arabarambuza hata abagenyi ebera cyero kubaleta hano nizo attractions imwe twine bikima twagira ebinyonyi twagiraho butterflies
teka teko cyo kutandika mu kandi tuwara bareba munonga abagenyi beitu ya fresh ninga bakunda munonga stories ezipataga n'imiturire n'imbere y'iyite abantu kandi abagenyi benda munonga kuretinga n'abantu abo batwine culture tutakushana kandi abahi bakurugana barwo mu culture tutakushana so hatuba kujaha bafashwe n'ingumu kandi cyaye bagikunda n'ubumwe n'ubuntu butugenda tukiteka umu business no mu product sales and like ninga oyihireho product sales zindi nkezo kurambuze ebukoko so education tourism ne gaita itaji abantu benji munonga
Oyihireho ekeji kuteka ebyokulya by'obunyakare abahona bino kuba kutebekanusa omwani kandi abantu bomwanya ogu nibagira ngo omwani nigubatahize.
Enambe mfoto eyakira muno kwenda kunywa omwani gwange abakira kumpagira bakagura n'ogura enambe mfoto bambaruga abajamane abayitare n'abasitari ndakira muneze nsinzi nyamune omwani mbagwenda muno bwiro bumwe bankaguza ntugwihanka hamunse yahero no sagutukuta
abarambuza ababona bareba abarukuruka emiceka nebyibo kandi hona bahulirize byeshongoro byenzarwa n'emizano.
The things that we take away really from this country is first of all the friendly people. We get a warm welcome everywhere you go, and that I think has been the first big surprise. I think the second thing is the variety, and in terms of tourism I think Uganda can play on the fact that it's got lots of activities that tourists can benefit from. Not just the wildlife, but also with other forms of nature. We're quite used to going on safaris. We've been on safaris in other parts of Africa. And one of the things we like to do here is actually get out of the car and explore, go on walks, go down river rafting, things like that.
Bitaine byona nakurira enteekateekezi kandi omukyanga eki nagira ngu abantu bayongera bakekwata gya by'obuhangwa nibija kwongera omutindo gw'ebyoburambuzi.
Our community groups is participating mu program yona ya tourism kandi twine community ninga cultural trails na community experience is kugenda nturambuza abagenyi hamiturire hamibereho hamikolere hamirire gate nk'abanyarwanda kandi byo tushire kugenda promoting.
Aba barebera irindiro ry'enyamishwa rya Kibale kandi abaramuzi nibahika omu mwanya ogu bareba n'ebindi ebinyamishwa n'ebinyonyi ebiri kubashemeza. Gashakwa Anson Atwine.